How to edit vertical videos in Reelshot. Vertical videos are the king on platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels. Reelshot makes it easy to edit your footage specifically for vertical viewing, ensuring that it looks amazing on mobile screens. This guide shows you how. When starting a new project or adjusting an existing one, go to its canvas or ratio settings. Crucially, select the 9:16 aspect ratio. This sets your project to standard vertical format for social media stories and reels. We have already selected it. Import your vertical video clips. If your footage isn't already 9:16, Reelshot will place it within the frame. Pinch, zoom and drag your video to perfectly fill the vertical frame, ensuring your main subjects are centered and no important elements are cut off. You can also crop out unwanted areas. When adding text, stickers or other elements, remember the vertical format. Place them strategically within the safe zones to avoid being covered by app UI elements once uploaded. Keep text concise and readable. Your vertical video is now perfectly optimized for mobile viewing. You've successfully learned how to edit vertical videos in Reelshot. Create engaging content for social media. Like and subscribe for more Reelshot mobile video tips.